Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Malibu, starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Inside you have cloth interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.